Sige, seryosong usapan. Here's my take tungkol sa pag-aamin sa mga taong gusto ninyo, especially sa mga lalaki. Young Kings, listen. Okay? Gets ko yung point na huwag ka umamin kung alam mo wala kang pag-asa. Naiintindihan ko yun kung bakit. Gets ko rin yung point na dapat lalaki hindi nauunang umamin. Naiintindihan ko rin yung punto ng mga yun. But let me tell you something. Ang punto ko kasi, kaya pinupush ko kayong umamin at magsalita, is to just let go of your feelings and know the answer right away. Na hindi ka namang hula at magkaroon ka ng what if for the rest of your life. So instead of moving on from a what if, which is more difficult, move on from the rejection instead. Correct. Possible, sige, bigyan kita ng 90%. You are 90% correct kung ramdam mong wala kang pag-asa. Paano kung 10% mali ka? Meron pala. Hindi mo malalaman kasi hindi mo ginawa. Mas nakakababa daw kasi ng masculinity. I disagree. This is how I see it. Hindi siya nakadepende na nag-confess ka. Nakadepende siya kung sa paano ka nag-confess at paano mo tinake kung na-reject ka man. Nakakababa siya ng masculinity kapag nag-settle ka sa friendship kasi ni-reject ka. And para sa akin, simping ka kasi kapag nagtago ka lang sa salitang kaibigan kasi takot ka ring ma-reject. Correct? Alam ko na yung susunod na tanong. Paano mag-confess? Maraming paraan paano mag-confess, man. Pero, if I were to give out a piece of advice on what should you do, mas maganda personal. Personal and intimate na usapan. Look, I like you more than a friend. And I'm telling you this now so I can let go of what I'm feeling. Gusto kong malaman mo yun. And I want to know if you feel the same way. Because if you don't, I want to take this opportunity to move on from you as well. Straightforward, not gonna settle for anything less. Diba? It's either I have a chance or I don't. Hindi ako magiging kaibigan mo after neto. It's either you have a chance or you don't. Yun lang yun. Hindi ko rin naman inaalis yung fact. Alam ko masasaktan kayo pag na-reject kayo, but keep it cool and simple. Ganun lang. Confess like that, and if they tell you na they feel the same way, then boom, jackpot, correct? Then you can start from there. Pag sinabi naman nila na, I'm sorry, all I can offer is friendship, tell them na, sorry, hindi na ako naghahanap ng idadagdag sa friend list. We can't be friends. And I'm moving on from you, from this point moving forward. Thank you for your honesty. Sibat. You will never talk to her again. Mus, paano naman kung magkaklase kami or magka-work kami, kailangan namin mag-usap. Kung ganun, okay lang yun. Talk to them strictly professional or academic lang. Do not joke around them, treating them like a friend. No. Ang tawag sa process na yun, men, self-respect. Alam na niya na may gusto ka sa kanya and ni-reject ka niya. The next thing you should do is to respect yourself at hindi ka na magpakababa pa. Kapag humingi ng mga pabor yung mga yan na hindi related sa academic or professional, you say no. No, I won't do it. Kailangan nyo itatak sa mga isip nyo, young kings. Okay? Once you confess, that's their only chance. One day, kapag bumalik sila sa inyo tapos gusto na nila kayo, it's your time to reject them. Ang tawag doon, self-worth. Mus? Babawi? Self-worth? Tama ba yun? Hindi. Ang point nun, sa oras na bumalik sila, wala ka nang nararamdaman. Kaya no na yung sagot mo. Tawag doon self-worth. Added damage na lang yung tingin nila bumabawi ka. Pero ang totoo niyan, hindi na. Kasi you choose to move forward, kaya wala ka nang nararamdaman sa kanila pagdating ng panahon that they turn their back and realize na, bigyan ko na lang siya ng chance. Hindi talaga pwedeng bumalik, Mus. Hindi, men. Hindi talaga pwedeng pabalikin. Kasi kung sa likod ng utak mo, balang araw pag bumalik to, tatanggapin ko to, ibig sabihin nun, hindi mo pinipiling mag-move forward. Di walang self-love. Kita mo. So that's how a gentleman's love should be. Genuine at may paninindigan. Hindi lang sa kanya, lalong-lalo na dapat sa sarili mo. Yes? So yun lang, napahaba na naman yung video natin. I'll see you in the next vid, my young kings and queens. Stream if you want me on all streaming platforms. Other than that, nice.